Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video, we're going to be unboxing a WeatherTech roll-up truck bed cover. Let's get into it. All right, this is, like I said, a roll-up truck bed cover. This happens to be for a Ford F-150, a short box, so a 5.5 foot bed, if you will. And this comes in a lot of different sizes depending on the size of the bed that you have, whether you have, it's primarily going to be your bed length, going to determine the size of this and your make model. But this is from WeatherTech. WeatherTech, they're a pretty well-known company if you haven't heard of them. All American-made products, made like, I think everything's pretty much made right there in their Chicago facility. And they're primarily known for their floor liners. They're kind of laser fit, digital fit floor liners for cab area of your truck or your van or your car, whatever it may be. They also make some other products. This one is the roll-up truck bed cover. So it's gonna be that tonneau cover, that bed cover. And just right here in the box, we do have some hardware. We'll get into this last. I wanna pull the product out. Okay, not too much going on here in the box. First of all, we do have installation instructions and owner manual included in the box. That's nice to get that in the box. Sometimes you don't get that. You have to scan a QR code and stuff like that. But this is gonna be that soft cover. It's gonna be that roll-up cover. This is a commercial grade vinyl material. That's going to protect from the elements and keep prying eyes out of your truck bed and things like that. As you can see, I don't know how well that shows up on the camera. This is the top part that you would see on top of the truck bed. There is kind of like a little pattern, almost like little, I don't know, footprints from a small bird or something like that. Kind of an interesting textured pattern on top of this. You can see right here, we do have our buckles. So there's gonna be a nice, in the rolled up orientation, you're rolling this all the way up towards the cab. You're gonna have a buckle here. Then there's gonna be a strap right on this side that you can buckle it in place so you can have full access to your truck bed. You can load in your materials, drop in some wood chips, whatever it may be, and still have your tonneau cover in place. You unload it and you can just roll it back out. Right here, we're going to have our rails that go on the bed rails. And this is going to be, I believe, a no drill installation. We'll get into this hardware here in a minute, but this is going to go along the bed. It's kind of like this Velcro material right here that's going to interface with the actual tonneau cover. That's going to give you a nice weather resistant seal. So this is a weather resistant product. Obviously a truck bed isn't completely waterproof just from the factory. A lot of times a tailgate has some exposed openings and things like that, but it's going to give you a pretty weather resistant seal up against your bed rails. And we have our other bed rail right here. This is an aluminum product, so it's relatively lightweight. Again, this is for a 5.5 foot bed, so it's not super long, but you can get it for the 6.5 and the 8 foot bed. All the major trucks they have this for, so just wanna make sure that you order the right one. I'm gonna try and unroll this a little bit to show you some of the features here on the tonneau cover itself. You can see every so often we're gonna have these bars right here that are gonna give it some strength, keep it from sagging in the middle of the bed and all of that. So we do have one bar right there. As I unroll this, got 2 bars. And then finally, at the end, we're going to have our little locking mechanism right here. These latch onto the side of your little bed rails right here. It's going to lock it. And if you have a locking tailgate, obviously it's going to be completely locked in the back of the truck. So looks like there's a nice little handy nylon rope right here that you can pull and unlock both sides pretty easily. And yeah, nice product here from WeatherTech. Got our WeatherTech logo right here on the end. Now, like I mentioned, WeatherTech, they're a really well-known brand, especially for their floor liners. They do have a really good warranty. If you want an American-made product that you can trust, that they're gonna stand behind, and so on, I'd recommend taking a look at the WeatherTech product. Now, we do have a bag here with some type of foam material. I don't know if this goes underneath these rails to get a nice seal in between this aluminum product and the factory bed rail. There's also a little alcohol wipe in there. We're gonna be installing this on a Ford F-150, so if you're interested in that, check out that video. Now, in our hardware bag right here, get an idea what the installation is gonna be like. It looks like this is going to be your standard clamp on side rail, so it's gonna be a no drill installation. These just kind of clamp up against the bed rails with this little brackets like this, and you're probably gonna have 3 or 4 per side, 4, 5, 6, so 3 of these, clamping these on per side. Again, you're gonna have this rubber gasket that I believe goes underneath this in between your rails right here and the actual bed. You have some other gaskets right here that are used that have some pre-applied adhesive. Some other type of mechanism right here. This might be for tightening your tension and all of that. Not completely sure. Then we have some additional hardware here in the bag. So looks like a pretty straightforward installation. Again, we're gonna be doing a video of installing this on a Ford F-150. If you're interested in seeing that, be sure to check out that video. Now that just about does it for the unboxing of this product. If you're interested in the WeatherTech roll-up tonneau cover, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. If you're looking for anything else for your work truck or van, be sure to check us out. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.